following counties in Nebraska, Gage and Pawnee. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a flood advisory for west central Pawnee County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Gage County in southeastern Nebraska, until 9:15 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain that will cause minor flooding in the advisory area. 2 to 4 inches of rain have already fallen. The heaviest appears to have occurred just a little north of Liberty. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pawnee City, Barnston, Burchard, and Liberty. A flood advisory means river or stream flows are elevated, or ponding of water in urban or other areas is occurring or is imminent. This hazardous weather